Yes, good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the getting to know about the plants or plants and its functions. In 6th standards, chapter number 8, what is the plants, what is its functions, how many kinds of plants, what is the classification of plants, their parts, different things I will discuss in this session. So, there are a large number of plants around us. A garden has many plants, various types of size, shapes and different functions and its plants. So the grass in the lawn are also plants. Trees, herbs, shrubs, these are the function of the plants, classification of the plants, and on the basis of the classification of plants are different things. So plants are living things. Before this chapter, I have discussed about the plants and animals, living and non-living things. So plants are also living things. They grow in the soil and remain fixed at a place through their roots. So we can see that crop plants grown in the fields all around, at our home and school. Also we are seeing many large number of plants around us. So plants do not move around like animals do. Plants also do not take foods like animals, and plants make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. And in other hand, human beings or animals also make their food by the depend on the other things. So plants make their food by the process of photosynthesis methods. So plants are of the different shapes, having different size. Some plants are very big, some plants are very small, some plants having stems, some plants do not have stems, some plants having leaves. There are two types of plants, flowering plants and non-flowering plants. So most of the plants have green leaves and some plants having reddish leaves. So most of the plants bear flowers. There are two types of plants on the basis of the flowers. First, flowering and non-flowering. Flowering and non-flowering plants. Non-flowering plants. Flowering plants and non-flowering plants. So those plants are having flowers, grow flowers, they are called flowering plants. Example of the flowering plants are grass, lemon, wheat, paddy, sunflower, mustard, neem, mango. These are the example of the flowering plants. Non-flowering plants, some of the plants however do not bear flowers. They are called non-flowering plants. Non-flowering plants, example of non-flowering plants are also ferns, moss, algae, fungi, conifers, means like pines flowers, pine trees. These are the example of the non-flowering plants. So flowering plants and non-flowering plants. These are the classification on the basis of flowers, bearing of the flowers. But most of the plants can be classified on the basis of their size, shape and lifespan. These classifications, there are three types. First, herbs, second, shrubs and third, trees. These classifications basis of the bearing flowers. Bearing flowers. But classification on the basis of size, shape and lifespan. Lifespan. So based on the Same shape, size and lifespan on the flowers. Classified plants on the three groups: herbs, shrubs and trees. Herbs, shrubs and trees. So what are the difference between the herbs, shrubs and trees? So herbs, shrubs and trees. So what is the herbs? What is the characters and what is the properties of the herbs types of trees? So herbs types of trees. So herbs. Shrubs and trees. Herbs are small plants having a soft and delicate stems. Means you can say herbs have not any types of stems. Herbs do not have woody stem. They are non-woody plants. Herbs have a green and tender stems. So we can easily bend herbs in any directions. Herbs are short-sized plants. Herbs usually do not grow more than 1 meter in height. Means maximum height of herbs types of plants maximum 1 meter. So herbs have a short lifespan. They may live over only 1 or 2 seasons mostly. So some of the examples of the herbs types of plants: tomato, mustard, sunflower, wheat, paddy, cabbage, carrot, ginger and turnip. These are the example of the herbs types of plants. In other hand, shrubs. Example of herbs, earlier I have told. Then next, shrubs. What difference between the herbs and shrubs? Shrubs are medium-sized plants. Shrubs are medium-sized plants. Shrubs having a hard and woody stem, branching out near the base, or is branching out near the base root of the shrubs. So the shrubs tend to branch near ground level. So many branches are seen rising just above the ground. So some of the example of the shrubs are shown: rose, jasmine, croton, tulsi, China rose, sunflower, pomegranate, henna, mehndi. Henna means mehndi, lemon. These are the example of the shrubs. The shrubs are bigger than the herbs, but smaller than the trees. There are 3 classifications of the plants: herbs, shrubs and trees. Herb is the smallest than the shrubs. Shrubs is smaller than the trees. And next, the trees. Trees are the tall and big plants with hard and thick wooden stems. Means herbs do not have the woody stems, shrubs having some woody stems, and trees having the totally stems as made of wooden. So the trees have one main stems called trunk. Trees having one main stems, and from the stems different branches goes out from the roots and near the ground. These stems is known as the trunk, which is usually gives out branches and leaves. The branches in trees appear higher up on the stem, much above the ground. In the shrubs, branches appear above the ground, near the ground, but in trees, branches appear higher above the ground. Example of these trees: neem, mango, palm, teak, oak, sandalwood, coconut, eucalyptus. These are the example of the trees. So there are the different examples here given: herbs, tomato, shrubs, rose, sunflower, trees, neem, mango, different types of trees. So what is the difference between, main difference between the shrubs and trees? Shrubs are medium sized plants, whereas trees are very tall and big sized plants. Second difference, shrubs branch near the ground, whereas trees much above the ground. Shrubs have thin stem, whereas trees have thick stem. These are the difference between the shrubs and trees. So there are some plants which are different form, neither herbs, shrubs or trees. They are known as the climber and creepers. So about the climbers and creepers I will discuss tomorrow, next lectures. These are the classification of plants on the basis of shape and size and lifespan. And before this I have discussed about the classification of plants on the flowering and non-flowering plants. Flowering plants and non-flowering plants. Further, first all over classification on about the plants on the base of the bear of the flower, flowering plants and non-flowering plants, and in detail classification of the plants on the base of shape, size and lifespan, herbs, shrubs and trees. And next I will discuss about the other types of plants, creeper and climbers. Okay, thank you.